Video I will teach you case sensitivity in variable in JavaScript. In JavaScript, if you want to write some variable but that will be case sensitive. If you write some variable in first time you declare it, and in the second time in the same time of variable you declare with the same, will give you some example that will clear your mind that how variable can be a case sensitive. So let's start. If we write a and we declare a variable like this, and the second time we will declare some other variable like b, and the third time we'll declare some other variable like c. Fine. Okay, so this is a declaration of variable, but the name should be case sensitive. How case sensitive? If this is a small a means small letter, and if you write it some next time you write it with the capital, so these two will be considered different. Like if we write some word and we write a, so this mean it is different than this a, because this a is different than this. How? Will initialize value and will give some output, but later on we have to know something. Will take 3 examples, so you that would be really clear to you people. Will assign or will define one more variable b, and the same time will assign one more variable c, but this is different. These all are different in this. How? Just will assign value to it, will assign value to it. We should not assign value to it, and we should assign value to this 90, and to this we will write assign sorry, not minus, is equals, and to this we will assign value like 89, and to this we will assign some string value like mb. We will write mb creative and programmer. So fine. Okay, if we write these, so this thing will be considered, this a and this a will be considered different than each other. We'll just do one thing, we'll write something in the console. Sorry for that. We'll write console.log, and now if we write here a and we run with debug, and you should see the answer here. Now wait for it. Yes, 90. So this is 90, and if we consider this 90 and the same time we assign here value 80, and here we do one thing like a, so this a would be printing 80, not 90. Yes, 80. So it means variable name should be case sensitive. This a small and this a capital, these both will be considered different than each other. Like here we will assign some value, the same string, like will in mb, and we'll write creative programmer. We'll write mb creative programmer, and we'll put semicolon. It is, as I told you, it is not as important. If you do put it, if you do not, it will be not matter for you people. And we'll do here one thing. Well, just one time we'll write capital, and for next time we will write to this plus, and this will be concatenation. And now we should put here like with a space. Now we will run it. Here you can clearly see, guys, that this mb is a capital and this mb is a small. If we look it here, like, sorry, if we look at here mb with capital A and capital C, and this mb is with small c, this would be considered different in this one, because this is case sensitive, and this is in JavaScript. When we declare a variable, the variable will be case sensitive. When we defining a variable, we have to take care about that is case sensitive, and if we write it different in the first one and our mean is to write the same, so it would be considered different. So there was all about case sensitivity, guys. This is how we can write a variable and how this is a case sensitive, and this is considered as string concatenation. I told you before is, and here we put some title to it and with the two slashes, and that is considered comments. We also upload video about comments, that how you can write comments and some more things as well. And this complete list. Thank you for watching.